We start with sitting in Vajrasana, elbows relaxed, back straight and palms on the knees. Now start exhaling and bend forward and keep your palms on the mat. Raise your hips up by keeping your knees on the mat. Create hip width distance between your knees, and your shoulders are directly above your palms. Spread your fingers out and make sure that your middle finger is pressed within the mat throughout the practice. Look up. The heels are in line with your knees. Now start inhaling and raising your hips up. Raise your knees from the mat and push your head between your elbows. So you're pushing your lower back up and back. Engage your arms properly. Rotate your upper arms outwards along with your shoulder and look towards your feet, toes. If you are able to see your heels, turn them out. You should not be able to see your heels. Once again, push your lower back up and back as much as possible. Now, maintaining the balance with your right hand, release your left hand, get it back and hold your left ankle from the outside and twist from the waist as much as possible and breathe normal. Make sure you're not tilting. The pelvis is in the same position. Stay there for 10 counts. Then release your palm from your ankle. Take it back to near to the earlier palm. Press your head between your shoulders. Again inhaling. Come back on your force. Further inhale and sit in Vajrasana.